Have you ever wondered about the tiny greens taking over the culinary world? Or perhaps you've sprouted your own seeds at home. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of plant development, distinguishing between sprouts, microgreens, and the full-grown plants we all know and love. While they all come from seeds, their growing methods, harvest times, and nutritional profiles can be quite different. Let's break it down. First up, sprouts. These are germinated seeds, typically grown in water without any soil. They're harvested very early, usually within 2 to 7 days of germination. You eat the entire seedling, the seed, the root, and the tiny shoot. They're crunchy and packed with enzymes, making them a popular addition to salads and sandwiches. Common examples include alfalfa, mung bean, radish, and broccoli sprouts. They're incredibly easy to grow at home. Next, we have microgreens. These are slightly more mature than sprouts, grown in soil or a growing medium. They're harvested when they've developed their first true leaves, usually 1 to 3 weeks after germination. With microgreens, you harvest and eat the stem and leaves, snipping them just above the soil line. They offer a more intense flavor and often a higher concentration of nutrients than their mature counterparts. Think about broccoli microgreens, radish microgreens, or even basil and cilantro microgreens. They add a gourmet touch and a nutritional boost to any meal. Finally, we have full-grown plants. These are allowed to reach their full maturity, developing extensive root systems, multiple sets of true leaves, and often flowers and fruits. The harvest time varies greatly, from several weeks for a head of lettuce to many months for larger vegetables like pumpkins. You typically eat specific parts: the leaves of spinach, the root of a carrot, or the fruit of a tomato. These are the staples of our diet, providing a wide range of nutrients, fiber, and culinary versatility. So, to recap, sprouts are water-grown, harvested in days, and you eat the whole seedling. Microgreens are soil-grown, harvested in 1 to 3 weeks when they have true leaves, and you eat the stem and leaves. Full-grown plants take weeks to months, are soil-grown, and you eat specific mature parts. Nutritionally, sprouts are excellent for digestive enzymes. Microgreens are often heralded for their concentrated nutrients, sometimes containing significantly higher levels of vitamins and antioxidants than their mature counterparts. Full-grown plants provide bulk fiber and a comprehensive range of nutrients. Each stage offers unique benefits and flavors, proving that from a tiny seed, a world of nutrition and taste can emerge. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world of plants.